Hi guys, good morning. Okay, what's up today? Chest, bicep, stomach and neck. Bench press first. See, we have had some progression here. So it could be smart to take a week, couple of weeks, lifting a bit lighter or just maintain and recuperate and then start lifting again. Because it's hard to go like this all the time. Maybe you need to go like this a couple of months and then you purposely have to flatten out a couple of weeks before you want to increase again, just to give the body some rest. But I'm just going to keep pushing, even though it's heavy. Long term, it could be smart to take a couple of weeks off now. I can start feel a little bit on my body. It's a bit heavy. But that depends on your goals and what you want to accomplish. Let's just head out to the gym and start working out a little bit. Hey, okay, back here, had my meal, some greens and some ground beef. Okay, 185 on the bench press. But I managed to lift that today too. It means that 185 start to be a bit more comfortable weight. And then we can start progressing upwards soon. First I got 180 one time, then I went for 185, managed to do that. Then I went back to 180 again one time, and one time after that. So we had 3 times with 180 and one with 185. So I stayed up on those weights to get to know those heavier weights a little bit better. That's my little new strategy here. On the deadlift yesterday, didn't went up to 250, but I went up to 240. Took that one time, but then I didn't went straight back to 200. Took 240, little break. I took 240, little break. And then 240, 3 times. So that's my little new thing here to increase in strength now. Before I warmed up and I did my max, and then I went straight back down again. But now I'm staying up on those weights. I'm really pleased with today's workout. I want to do so that I can take my max here, even on a day that is heavy. Because then you know you're strong and progressing. This week, I really feel that I took 185, even though I didn't felt like I was strongest today. So that's a good indication that we soon can move upwards. As I have mentioned, I'm not following this program too much now. Just want to increase in strength. That's my main priority and my goal right now. Yeah, just want to get that out and just want to let you know. And I'll see you guys later. As many of you guys know, watching my previous episode, I got this DJI Mavic Pro drone. Look at that. You have this bag and there's the controller. But I have no phone to go in this controller. The previous episode I didn't have a phone that could run these apps to fly this drone with. I have the propellers for these two in here. So I actually went ahead and got a couple of phones. Let's see. One for her and one for me. And then some accessories. Some camera. You have wide angle and a bit more close-up lenses. And I got this little case too, so you don't damage your phone so that easily. So yeah, now I have something to run this app. Just do a little unboxing of those then. It's called the Samsung Galaxy S7 and the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. The Edge one is a bit larger than the regular S7, so a bit more battery life, a bit bigger screen, and you got the Edge function. If you don't want the Edge function and a bit smaller phone, yeah, excuse my nails, they're a bit long, but I have a little experiment. I want to see how much they can grow in a certain amount of time. Now I am 1 month and a week in, I think. That's how long I've gotten. So don't mind that. So let's just open. I cut it open here, so the seal. Black onyx. Let's see what's up in here. Here we have a pink, gold pink or something like that. You can clearly see some difference here. This is longer and you have the edge going out there. So frameless design kind of thing. And here you can see the edge. But this one is a bit smaller, maybe fits better in your hand. I went for the bigger one. So let's see what's in here. So feels light and good in my hand, but I noticed that I will struggle if I want to get my thumb up on the top here. So then I need to go like this, or maybe both hands. I don't know, I'm not so good with phones. One other reason, they have one of the best mobile cameras out there. A good mobile camera, then you also always have a good camera with you. So that's a good reason to get this phone, the S7, S8, by recording of this video. That's a highlight for me. This is a beautiful looking phone, of course. Very, very, very thin. They're of course running the same camera, same Android version, basically the same phone, but smaller screen, bit smaller battery, no edge function. But I like here that they have the option to choose one or the other. And you also get some different color for different preferences. And also a good front-facing camera there. So one for her and one for me, and I bought a little bit bigger and a black one. Oh yes, this is a bit more easier to handle, I guess. Let's see. This can still be handled well. So what's in the box? Charger, cable, USB connector, it says. Converter, some kind. And you got your headphones. I don't know the quality there. You got a nice little carrying case. When I look in here, I thought, what strange color is this? But that was just the color of the casing. Looks pretty solid, and I guess you got your microphone here as well. Here are some manuals, just some papers. So just your guidance and stuff there. I don't have the SIM card yet to go with it. Oh, let's check out the casing. Here's something you can. It says magnetic. Yeah. Yes, this is a nice carrying case to go in the pocket, or so you don't scratch the screen or anything like that. Maybe it should be a little locking feature. Flip wallet. Also, they got other colors if you're interested. Oh, yeah. Let's see how it fits in the controller here. Something like this. Look at it going on here. Nice setup. You got your app here. So I just need to get a SIM card to go in this one so I can boot it up and check it out. That would be a great setup. And then you just take this out. Very good to go again. Okay, so we got some new and functional phones. Could help out with making things easier. Yeah, by the way, we got the lens cover thing. That's true. You can just... Oh man! That's for that's not for Edge one. Where I ordered this one, they actually had a picture with the Edge phone on this. It said S7 on the... They didn't have Edge in the title. But we got the other S7 phone. Okay, we got our... Goes into place here. Just add some protection. When you don't want to use this, you just go like this. And then you're like, okay, I want some different options here. I want some wide angle stuff. Turn this on. And now we've got a bit broader and wider view. This is what they call a telephoto lens. And the same with that one. Then we got that feature. Samsung Galaxy S7 lens cover. And then you got this that's nice. Look at that. So that's the Samsung S7 lens cover. Okay, see you guys later. Okay guys, so look at that. I guess that was enough for today. Thanks again for watching. It was fun and great to check out those new things, and it'll be fun to explore them more. So thanks for that. Bye bye.